morning children, how are you all? I hope it's a good. Okay, previous class we all learned that which one? Only it's a basics. What we all learned that in basics, alphabets and how to we read that in phonic sounds. And what we all learned next one? The 2-letter words, 3-letter words and 4-letter words. Okay, only we all learned that in previous class in basics. Okay, now I will start that in lesson. Look at that. This is your English textbook 4th standard. Okay, in the 1st standard, in this first chapter is given to you. What is our lesson name? Look at that. First chapter, not our problem. What is that? Not our problem. Only is given to you in reading. What is that? Reading only is given to you, not our problem. This is your lesson. It's a 4th standard, that first chapter. Okay, in this, look at this picture. Look at this picture, very colorful is there, no? Yes, very colorful picture is given to you. But what is that not our problem? What is that pictures is a related story is given to you. Let us see, we can start that. Before we start that, discuss about that in this story some hard words is there. What is that? Hard words. And how many some number of hard words is there, but which one is you hard words do you know? So you must put the underline in your pencil. Okay, underline that pencil in this hard words. Now look at that in hard word. First of all, what is that? Country. What is that? Country. What is the spelling of country? C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Join with me. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. And next one, puffed rice. What is that? Puffed rice. P-U-F-F-E-D-R-I-C-E. Puffed rice. Next, attention. What is that? Attention. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Attention. And next one, windowsill. What is that? Windowsill. W-I-N-D-O-W-S-I-L-L. Windowsill. Next, street below. Next one, street below. S-T-R-E-E-T-B-E-L-O-W. Street below. And next hard word is given to you, swallowed. What is that? Swallowed. S-W-A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Swallowed. Next is sprang. Next one, what is that? Sprang. S-P-R-A-N-G. Sprang. Next one, attacked. What is that? Attacked. A-T-T-A-C-K-E-D. Attacked. Next is soldiers. What is that, ma? Soldiers. S-O-L-D-E-I-E-R-S. Once again read. S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S. Soldiers. Next, harmed. What is that? R is silent one. Harmed. Yes. Harmed. H-A-R-M-E-D. Harmed. Yes, in this some hard words is given to you in this story. You must write in this hard word. So which one is in your textbook hard word is there? You must put the underline and write in your notes 2 times. And one copywriting, one full page you must write that in copywriting. Now I will start that in lesson. What is that lesson is given to you? Look at that. Look at ma. Pictures, very colorful pictures is there, no? Yes. Now I will start that one. Have you heard of the proverb? Proverb. Yes, proverb is given to you. What is that proverb? A stitch in time saves 9. What is that? A stitch in time saves 9. And what is the meaning of in proverb in stitch in time and saves 9? Look at that. It means that if you need to do something, if you do some work, it's better to do right. If you do some work, it is due to in better. It is better, right way. Before becomes a bigger problem. If you do any work, it's a better one to you do. And another case, it is becomes to a bigger problem. So what is related in proverb is given to you. Let us start that in first one. And look at this picture. Who one is sitting in this picture? One of the king and another one is there. Another person is there. It's an advisor. Who's ma? Advisor. And what is doing in this both are members? Look at that. The king of a small country sat with his advisor eating honey and puffed rice. They talked of this and that. The both are sitting, it's a near of in window and both are sitting and eating. Both are sitting and eating to a honey. What is eating? Honey and puffed rice. The both are eating and talked about that in palace, and another words they will talk. Next, and look at this. Number of dishes is there on the table. Yes or no? And look at that in next picture. The king not paying attention. It's not paying attention to what he was doing. Let a drop of honey fall onto the window. Yes, the king not paying attention any. What he was doing? Let drop of honey. Yes, the king also, it's a drop of honey. It's a fall onto the windowsill. Who's doing in this one? Who's one? King. King doing to the fall into a one drop of honey. And next, who's looking on the drop of honey? It's an advisor looking that one. Never mind, and asking. Yes, never mind. It is what is doing? Window, the drop of honey fall onto the window. And next, oh sir, let me wipe that up. Yes, the king also it's doing the drop off in honey. It's looking that in advisor. And advisor also replied. What is replied? Oh sir, let me wipe that up. Can I clean that one? Can I clean that one? He's given that in advisor that answer. And never mind, it is not our problem. Who's replied in this one? King. King replied. What he is replied? It's not our problem. And another palace helpers will clean. Yes, the palace helpers will clean it later. Yes, I will drop off in honey on that window. Who's one to do in this one? King. Now the advisor also looking that drop of honey in the fall onto the windowsill, and is replied, can I wipe out? Can I clean that one? Now in this time the king also replied, the palace helpers will clean it on that one. And next, look at this picture. Has the two continued to eat? Has continued to eat and drop off in honey. Who's doing in this one? King. Continued to eat and drop off in honey. Slowly it's began to drip down the windowsill. Yes, it's a puffed rice and honey also eating on the king, and the drop of honey the fall into the windowsill. And in this time, at last it fell with a plop on the street below. Yes, in this time the honey plop also down on that in window side. Yes, turn the page number 6. What is that? Page number 6. And which one is the king also? It's a plop on that in window side. And who one is came on that one? Look at this picture. Which picture is there? In this one, who's there on that picture? Yes, honeybee is there. Who's one? Honeybee. Yes. Soon a fly landed on the drop of honey and started its own meal. What is doing? The own meal. Also the looking that in honey, and it's flying landed to come to in honeybee, and it's taking own meal. And look at this picture. Immediately a lizard sprang up, and with a flick of its long tongue swallowed the fly. The honeybee also take its own meal. On the time comes to who's a lizard. Yes, lizard only comes on that and sprang up, and it's a long flick of in long tongue and swallowed that fly. Yes, the honeybee also is there on that place, but lizard also it comes to immediately, and with the flick of in long neck swallowed that fly. And next, look at that. And but a cat saw the lizard and pounced on it. Yes, and which one is there on that in place? Which place? On that street place, and comes to that in cat also. Yes, it's come to cat also and pounced on it to cat. The dog and sprang forward and attacked it. On that place comes to cat, and afterwards comes to a dog. Yes, cat and dog, the both are is fighting and attacked each other, right? Fighting at each other. Who one is look at that in this fighting? Yes, the window side, it's near to window side sitting that in advisor, and the king also sitting and look at that in fighting also. And look this one side, there seems to be a cat and dog fight in the street. Should we call someone to stop it? Who say? There seems to be a cat and dog fight in the street. Should we call stop? And who one is advisor. Why is the advisor is replied? Why ma? The dog and cat also the both are is fighting and attacked. So on that time advisor also replied, should we kill someone to be called? They both are in attacked. Yes, on that time king replied, never mind, it is not our problem. Who's replied? King. King replied, the dog and cat is fighting but he cannot do that in stop. He's only replied, it's not our problem. And look at this picture. Meanwhile, the cat owner arrived and beat the dog with a stick. The dog's owner ran up and began to throw stones at the cat. Soon, they started fighting with each other. And now enter that in cat's owner and dog owner. Yes, cats and dog owner, the both are comes on in place. And the cat owner also beat with the dog and stick. It's take that in stick to beat that in dog. And on that time the dog owner also will be comes to and take that one of the stone, yes, stones, and throw that in cats. They start fighting with each other. The both our members started to each other. It's a fighting. Look at this picture. This is a dog owner. It's take that in stick and another one it's take that in stone. The both are it's a mix up in fighting. Next with what is doing? We will start that on tomorrow. Okay. What is that pictures is given to you? We will start that tomorrow. I will explain you. Okay. Thank you.